So if you want to service your wipers or raise them up off the windshield for an incoming storm, you may have noticed that you can't raise the wiper while they're in the down position. It'll hit the hood right about there. I'll show you the quick solution for that. So the quick solution to raise your wipers to get them in the up position so you can either service the wipers or raise them off the windshield for an incoming snowstorm or ice storm is very simple. While you're in the car, you don't have to turn it on or anything. All you do is go to your wiper stock, push it to the mist position, hold it there, and your wipers will park. Now, if you want to get them down so that you can drive normally, just with the key in the pocket, you're going to push the start button. You push it again till all your lights and gauges come on, and you're going to push to the mist position and they'll go down and park. So we'll do it again real quick. To raise them up, just push the mist stock, the wipers come up and will park. To get them to go down, push start twice with your key in the pocket. Make sure you have your fob, and then push to the mist position and they'll park. Like and subscribe if you want to see more. With your wipers in the up position, you can now raise them off the windshield and it will not interfere with the hood at all, and you can do this on both sides.